Creative Effects Contracting is your source for professional roofing, fencing, and hardscaping in Tacoma, Federal Way, Auburn, and the neighboring communities. From minor fence repairs to complete residential roofing installations, no job is too big or too small for our licensed and insured general contractors. As a locally owned home improvement business, the team at Creative Effects Contracting strives to provide the highest quality experience for our customers. Our roofing crews are skilled at shake, slate, and shingle roofing installation, roof repair, and roofing maintenance. Our hardscaping team can assist with deck and patio construction, walkway installation, driveway installation, retaining walls construction, installing water features, and so much more. Is it time for new fencing? We offer residential and commercial fence and gate installation and repair, specializing in chain link fencing, wood fencing, vinyl fencing, and Trex fencing. No matter what project you're ready to tackle, trust us to provide expert services and a stress-free experience from start to finish. Give Creative Effects Contracting a call or visit our website to request a free estimate for fencing, hardscaping, or roofing in Tacoma or the surrounding areas. By the time we finish, you'll love the way your property looks and performs. We guarantee it.